Marilyn Mosby's defense team continues to try and get things excluded from trial, but most of what they're asking for is already in the public record, including in the indictment itself. And some experts we spoke with say these latest court filings could in fact delay the trial even more. Baltimore's top prosecutor, Marilyn Mosby, fighting for her own future in court. Her legal team arguing with federal prosecutors about what they don't want a future jury to hear, as she faces 4 federal charges, 2 for perjury and 2 for false mortgage application statements. In the latest filings, Mosby's defense team asking for the judge to prevent prosecutors from telling a jury she used more than $80,000 pulled from her retirement account to buy 2 Florida vacation homes. Prosecutors say Mosby pulled the money out without penalty by claiming a COVID-related financial hardship. But prosecutors outline using charts how much more money Mosby made in 2020 than she did in 2019. Court documents also detail Mosby's spending habits, including at least 6 credit cards and a cryptocurrency account.
I stand with Marilyn Mosby.
Earlier this year, A. Scott Bolden, Mosby's lead defense attorney, argues Mosby's travel businesses she created while serving as a state's attorney contributed to financial hardship. But when pressed about previous statements made by Mosby's own team, Bolden couldn't explain. Was it one of her businesses that was negatively impacted? Because that's something that you had said, but her spokesperson had said that that business was not operational while she was in office as state's attorney. So which one is correct?
Yeah, I'm not going to get into a swearing match about that. I'm telling you that she qualified for those monies and she was advised on those monies.
The latest filings also point to contradicting statements and actions from Mosby, her family, and her supporters. Prosecutors say the IRS sent Mosby and her husband, City Council President Nick Mosby, separate certified letters notifying them of a $45,000 tax lien on their Baltimore home. Marilyn Mosby's team maintains she didn't know about the lien when she didn't disclose the liability on the mortgage applications for the Florida homes. According to the indictment, the IRS sent them each a letter. So you're saying that she didn't open the mail?
I looked for the tax lien myself. Could not find it.
I have a copy I can show you.
I know you do. You know how we found it? We got it from the press. She did not know, she did not lie, and that'll come out at trial.
Court documents claim Nick Mosby lied to Marilyn in November, telling her the lien had been paid. But in January, according to the same court documents, the Bar Council got a copy of the IRS payment schedule for the lien Mosby claims had been paid. Now, prosecutors argue Mosby's defense tactics could jeopardize the timeline of the trial.
If I were the defense team, I would already be looking to delay this as long as humanly possible.
Before Mosby lost the primary, she had been pushing for a speedy trial.
What I'm asking for is that I be tried right now.
Oh, we're pushing for trial.
Because I know that I'm innocent. So I'm ready to go to trial tomorrow.
In 70 days.
She said, like, try me as soon as possible, and that's what they're looking to do.
Put this on trial right now so I can prove my innocence.
Then she asked for a delay, and now Baltimore area defense attorney Kurt Nachman, who isn't involved in Mosby's case, says she has lost leverage for a potential deal, and delaying could be one way she maintains her $248,000 annual salary. But that's not a guarantee.
The judge made it clear that she wasn't in favor of any additional delays.
Prosecutors want the judge to prohibit Mosby's team from telling a jury the prosecution is vindictive and politically motivated, arguing it's an attempt to, quote, confuse the jury and waste the court's time and resources. Lead prosecutor Leah Wise writes, "The truth is, and always has been, that the defendant was not investigated or charged because of her race, her politics, or her personal decisions. She was investigated and charged because she committed multiple federal crimes." Judge Grigsby is expected to make some rulings and decisions on these motions during a pretrial hearing scheduled for September 14th. It's that hearing that we could find out if this trial itself, scheduled for September 19th, will move forward or if we'll see another delay. In Baltimore, Mackenzie Frost, Fox 45 News.